right? So just take back in time a little bit, right? So like now you're what I'm deeming to be the LinkedIn boss, but that journey didn't obviously happen yesterday, right? So how did you really get into mastering LinkedIn? What did that journey look
Yeah.
like?
So, I'm a little bit older than you, and my background is sales, and sales, when I started doing sales was, you needed to talk to people, right? You needed to meet people, you needed to prospect, cold calls, right? Like actually talking to people. But at the end of the day, what brought in the biggest sales was the relationships that you built. So even when social media came out, and I loved social media, and I was teaching social media in general in the beginning. One of the things that I learned really quickly in this digital world was that niching really was important, because, if there's somebody that says, I need a social media speaker, 17,000 names get thrown out. But if somebody says, I need a LinkedIn speaker, 10 people say, call Karen, right? So I knew that I needed to kind of niche as I went down my journey teaching digital marketing. Like when I started, I've always done marketing. So when I shifted to digital marketing, I knew that that was important. And what I found was that I saw what a lot of people, what I would do is I'd ask people, where are you getting most of your business now? And 99 out of 100 times they'd say referrals. And I'd be like, all right, how can I best mimic that using the social media tools that are out there? And LinkedIn was that tool for me. I also think that we want to know more now about the people we do business with than we did 25 years ago. So LinkedIn checked all those boxes. So I found myself over and over kind of bringing LinkedIn to the forefront when I was working with people on their digital marketing, to the point where that's really all I do now, because frankly, it is hard enough to just stay on top of all the changes LinkedIn makes, never mind all the changes all the other platforms make, right? So that's kind of why I do what I do. I just found that, if you're going to tell me that most of your business comes from referrals, then, why are we tweeting 600 times a day, right? Like it can be integrated in it, but what's the path to the biggest payoff? And that always is LinkedIn. So I just said, that's where I'm staying then.